Hello! Welcome to this third episode dedicated to making 10 video transitions using Adobe Premiere Pro CC. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make the
Acid Twitch transition
in a few simple steps. Our Acid Twitch transition lasts for 10 frames. It is very fast and creates a sort of image distortion effect. We really like using it with titles. Max at the computer.
Francesca the voice.
Let's start! As we know, the first thing to do is add an adjustment layer to the sequence. This time, the duration of the transition will be 10 frames. We insert the marker in the center, position it in the timeline with the marker at the cut point. To make this transition, we will need 3 effects. We insert the offset effect in the adjustment layer. We set the default values of Shift Center 2 to the start, end of clip, and center. We then set the value to 4002 frames before the cut point. We set the value to minus 4002 frames after the cut point. And this is a roll transition. But we're not done yet. To make the passage more distorted, let's add the mosaic effect. In the center of the clip, we set the values. So 25 in horizontal blocks and 100 in vertical blocks. Now let's set the value 100 at the beginning and end of horizontal blocks. Now the image is warped. To improve the look of the transition, let's add one last effect to the adjustment layer, ASC CDL. Change the saturation value to 2.800,000. Done! In a very short time, we have created another great effect that you will be able to use in your projects. You can customize it by modifying the offset mosaic values and therefore the dimensions of the vertical or horizontal blocks, the saturation, or adding a sound effect. In the next video, we will see how to make the 4th video transition Quick Flash. If you like this video, don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thank you for your attention and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.